Welcome to PrimeTech Automotive YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you the correct way to release the electronic parking brake on a Mitsubishi ZM Outlander 2022 to current when carrying out brake pad replacement. So important this video does not cover the full brake pad repair process, guys. The main purpose is to demonstrate how to deactivate the security gateway so you can successfully enter the parking brake maintenance mode. So without deactivating the security gateway, it doesn't matter how many times you try, you will not able to access EPB maintenance mode. So if you do so, you can easily access. If you don't, no matter how much time you try, you will get communication fail with the EPB module. So what this video covers is how to bypass the security gateway, accessing the parking brake maintenance mode, and how to complete the process after the brake pad replacement. So I hope this quick video is going to help who is going to do this repair by yourself. So what you need to do, plug the scan tool in, select the vehicle and enter the ABS module, and navigate to parking brake maintenance mode, and you need to keep it ready when you to go into next step. So what's the next step is, guys? Turn the ignition off, press the accelerator pedal twice all the way down, and turn the ignition on. So within 10 seconds, you need to do this procedure. And now you need to go into pre-selected maintenance mode and select it. Then you can access to the service mode. Once you activate it, you will hear the brake caliper piston rewinding noise. So once you complete that process, use the normal procedure, replace the brake pads, and once you finish the job, you get into the car, press the brake pedal several times, and use the EPB switch and activate the parking brake. That brakes. So that's all pretty much, guys. Hope this video helps. Like and subscribe, share my videos, jump back into my channel so you will have some other videos that helps day-to-day repairs. Thank you.